All right, so for this problem, we're looking to find which job is better. There's two job offers. Both start at $30,000, but job A promises a $1,200 raise each year. Job B promises a 3.5% raise each year. Which job is better in year 2 and in year 20? So the first part is that we have to look at which one's arithmetic and which one's a geometric. Job A is arithmetic because there's an actual dollar amount of a raise. And that means you're going to add that $1,200 per year. So that means that it's an arithmetic sequence. So we're basically adding $1,200 each year. This is our formula for an arithmetic sequence. And the part that we add is D. Our A sub 1 is the salary that we start with. And when we find subsequent years, we just have to plug it into our formula. So in this case, our A sub 1 now is going to be 30,000. We could, to find the second year, we could just plug in and add $1,200, but I want to show you how these work. So A sub 2 would be equal to 30,000 plus our N is 2, so 2 minus 1 times our D, which is 1,200. So that becomes 30,000 plus 2 minus 1 is going to get us 1 times our 1,200. So that gets us 30,000 plus 1,200 will get us $31,200. So that's A sub 2. When we're looking at A sub 20, we're going to do the same process, except we're plugging in our N is equal to 20. So here again, we're going to have our A sub 1 is going to be 30,000 plus our N is 20 minus 1 times our D, which is 1,200. And when we plug that, we would just plug that all into a calculator versus finding it, or you could find this partially if you would like to. But that is going to get you $52,800. So that's what you would make in year 20. Now we need to do the same thing for job B. Now job B is a geometric sequence. And here is our formula for that. And we know it's geometric because they actually give us a raise of a percent. So we're getting a percentage each time. So our rate for this is going to be 3.5%. But when you write that into this formula, you need to write that as 1.035. This moves over like we normally do, but if you only do the 0.035, you're only getting the amount of the raise. You have to continually add it to the initial part, and that's where the 1 comes into play. So to find year 2 on this, we're taking our A sub 1, which is 30,000, and we're multiplying that by our rate of 1.035 and raising it to the N minus 1, which will be 2 minus 1. When you plug that into your calculator, you will get that this will get you 31,050, so $31,050. And when we look at A sub 20, which is in the 20th year, we would do the same thing. So we're going to plug in 30,000 times 1.035. This time our N is 20, so 20 minus 1. And when we plug the values in, we will get $57,675.04. So our question was in which job is better in year 2. So we have to look at our two amounts. So for year 2 up here, we get $31,200. And for year 2 here, we get $31,050. So the job A would be better in the second year by $50. Now, when we look at year 20, here we're making $52,000, and in year 20 here, we're making $57,000. So in 20 years, job B would be better. So to answer our question, in year 2, job A is better. In year 20, job B is better.